Hey guys, here's another video of one of our latest sumps that we've just finished. So this is a full custom Hmahli sump. It's for a special client of ours from New Zealand. This sump is the biggest sump that we've actually built to date, and believe it's the biggest acrylic sump to come out of Australia. It measures 2.3 meters long by 550 in width by 600 in height. So when it comes to designing this sump, we basically work very closely with our client and through our New Zealand distributor. Basically our customer over there is undergoing a massive home renovation, and they've decided that they wanted to do a massive in-wall fish tank, which is actually their splashback for their kitchen. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the end result. I believe the fish tank itself is 4.7 meters long. It's a massive 32 mil thick acrylic tank, which they had manufactured overseas as well. So this sump, we'll start at the beginning. We've got our 4 inputs here, which are going to house 1.5 inch bulkheads, which then feed into a silencer chamber, and then that spills over into this custom Hmahli roller mat. So this is a massive roller mat. It's 200 mil wide cloth by 100 meters. So we've got a really big deep chamber here with all of our pulleys, our float switch there, adjustable float switch, so they can set the water height for that float switch when they want that roller mat to kick in. The roller mat has its own control box here. This is also a built-in speed controller for the roller mat as well, so they'll be able to determine how quickly and how fast they want the roller to be rolling. Again, with all waterproof, dustproof plugs. Now, they're going to be running an external skimmer. So they wanted to have 2 really big chambers, basically where they can house bullied fish. So fish that are bullies, they can chuck them in here. And they wanted something quite generous, obviously, because they were going to be showcasing some quite a few large tangs. So what we've done here on this baffle, we've actually made it where that actual honeycomb cutout is. It's actually a removable panel, so this can actually open up as one big chamber. And obviously having the adjustable baffle on that as well, with all recessed lids. And then we come into this chamber here. The client wanted to do a bit of a frag chamber, so we've got a frag rack there which can be removed or raised or lowered, which will hold a generous amount of frags. And then here we've got a huge media chamber with custom media baskets. So these baskets are all removable. There's 3 massive baskets that live into this chamber here. And then we've got our next chamber, which is another media chamber, which is going to be set up for aerobic and anaerobic. And then we've got our massive return chamber with adjustable probe holder, all of our dosing ports, bulkheads. As part of this build, we've also built a custom overflow weir, which is 2 meters long. We've also done underneath at the base of this roller mat too, it's a removable panel so they can get to the underside of that as well when they're doing maintenance, so they can clean, service, get into all the little tight spots